In this video, we're going to talk about the notes and the frets that we're going to use in first position on the B string. Let's check them out. All right, so we can see the way that these notes look, and we are going to learn the system of naming for notes later, but the things that we know that are true about notes on the staff are true for these as well. If you go in order, step at a time, B, C, D, they go up, and then up again, like steps. It goes forward in the alphabet. What would come after D? We're going to find out in a second. You already know what it is, though. Let me show you how to play these. B is the open B string. Makes sense, right? So if I play the open B string, I get the note B, and that's what it looks like. That first note here is B. If I put my first finger on the first fret of the B string, I get C. Oh, it looks a little higher and it sounds a little higher. That's perfect. And finally, one note higher than that is D, but it's the third fret again. We're kind of used to that. Open 1, 3 is D. So I've got B, C, D. You're going to get used to that as you play songs with these notes in it. What comes after B, C, D? Well, E, F, G, of course, so it connects perfectly with what we already know. B, C, D. The next step up is E, and then F, G. We already know E, F, G is open 1, 3, and we know that makes sense. We've got to connect B, C, D to it. So we've got B, C, D, E, F, G. Now, when it's time to connect the notes on the B string to the notes on the E string, the full pattern, you have to play all the notes on B and then go to E. So you get B, C, D, E, F, G. And the natural notes on both strings are open, 1, 3, open, 1, 3. Don't forget open B and open E. That, for some reason, is what a lot of people do. They forget that there's an open note. So you've got to play open, 1, 3, open, 1, 3. Let's try coming back down. 3, 1, open, 3, 1, open. If we do the letters, it's just like the alphabet. B, C, D, E, F, G. And then we'll go backward. Just backward, one letter at a time. G, F, E, D, C, B. I would spend twice as much time going down this 6-note sequence as I do going up, because that's what people have trouble with. Don't forget that open note, you have to play the next lowest note, which is the highest note on the B string.